Another day and the start of another project. And this day it is the start of Project Terry. So if you've seen the other Terry video, you'll know full well it's just not worthwhile trying to save this car. With its smashed windscreen and stolen catalytic converter, it's not a pretty sight. Now then, when we open this door up, lovely big puddle there. That's the kind of puddle you get when you have a smashed windscreen and a worn out sunroof seal. I've already decided that the driver's side front wing is going to come off and go onto Nigel, like another feather in its already fruity hat. But the rest of it will just be sold on to ugly, lovely little Rovers. And already I have parts being sold. There's a chap called David who runs a group called Northwest Rover Repairs. And he's a very, very jolly chap indeed, and very, very knowledgeable. At least he seems to be. Anyway, he's come down today. He's going to take some bits off all by himself. I don't have to get my hands dirty. It means that I can eat a pasty while he does the work. Smile for the camera. Tragic Project Terry coming apart, and its first donation is its brain. David's driven away there with the ECU kit and the boot loom, plus a steering wheel for a Rover 45. Bye bye David, do come back. Bye bye. He went an hour ago. As much as I would like to start taking this thing apart today, I'm not really going to do. So that's going to be kind of the end of the video. Quite simply because I've got too many other things to do. Too many other things to put away from the last car I took apart. Just had to go and get some petrol in a can. One of the problems with having cars standing around in the yard for any length of time is flat batteries and running out of fuel. Without a doubt, the most useful tool that I have ever bought is probably this chunky set of jump leads. Now I have somebody coming to view the 214 tomorrow, so I wanted to move it from down here up there, give another clean up and stuff like that, and for some reason it's decided not to start. Starter motor's not engaging, but I suspect it might just have something to do with that being a bit wobbly there, so let's find out. No, nothing there. Wobbly connections, not making any difference. Always up against it. All I want to do is sell the car. Now it looks like I've got to fit a new starter motor to it first. That's ain't it? This guy is an utter fool. Look what he's done to my car. That's another day gone by where it looks like nothing's really happened. But in actual fact, what really did happen is the battery went flat on my phone, so I couldn't film anything else. But, you know, nothing else really happened anyway. It was already 4 o'clock by the time I realised I wasn't going to be getting Project... forgot what it's called, gone. What's it called? Come on, what's it called? Project. Come on, I choose these names. I should know who I'm talking about. That red one, the 214, the red 214, what's he called? They're all called Project something. What's it called? It's not Stan, that's the white one. Come on. What's he called? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's not Dennis. Is it? It is Dennis, that's right. Yes, okay. Lovely little Dennis. Yeah. Not sure what the point actually was. I think the point was, I was going to say that today was a little bit of an unfocused day, but aren't they all really? Tomorrow, should I do... well, I need to get Project Dennis just pulled along a little bit, just to see if it has that starter motor. And if it is, then I can always replace it. Except I think I sold my last starter motor to a young chap just the other day. So that means that the new car, Terry, will be donating its starter motor as well. How about that then, eh? Anyway, see you tomorrow. It looks fantastic in the car park at night time.